Taste of the Town. I'm here at Heritage Park, which is on Peters Road in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we're here where they have all these lovely food trucks. So I'm gonna be sampling. I'm gonna try to sample as much as I can, and I'll tell you guys which ones I like and which ones you guys definitely need to come and check out. They have a lot of food trucks and they're here every Tuesday. So make sure come down and check them out. So let's head on and see what they have first. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try is the dough donuts. On the side.
Anything else? You want to be 8, okay?
So we're at the egg roll truck and barbecue. Can I get one order of that? And is the you like to have fries?
You gonna single that?
I got a single. You want to mix it up? Yeah, the gyro is it lamb or is it beef? Lamb. All lamb. Okay, can I get that also? You want half Korean and half the gyro, right? Yes.
Order up. I got the all gyro and the all El Cubano egg roll here, y'all. Believe that. Egg roll truck, China, man.
What's your... Here we have a French fry truck. Here is a hot dog truck. All hot dogs are $5. They have the Dough Eat Fresh, the FCAT, Principal Run, Wall Monitor. They have quite a few, like 14 different types, and if you add $1 more, you can get a veggie dog. Okay. So this is the red velvet donut. Really good. I think I can do with some more cream cheese, but it's really good. It doesn't get better than this. So the Cuban egg roller. It's pretty good. It's really good. Gyro, I'm gonna get fat. This is the one. Oh my god, so good. So good. So when you come, make sure and ask for the gyro. It's really good. It's all lamb. So this is a burger truck, but I'm not getting any burgers today. But they have Wisconsin butter burger, pulled pork sliders, Wisconsin cheese curds, buttermilk battered chicken, grouper sandwich. So they have a variety, not only burgers but other things also.
This was so good.
Really good?
I think I'm a macaroni queen. This is really good.
So this other food truck is Captain Lobster. So we have rolls, Captain Shrimp, Captain Crab, Captain Lobster. So I think I'm gonna have a lobster roll today. Brought home a lobster roll, so I'm gonna have this. It smells really good and it's packed with a lot of lobster meat. So here we have Mr. Jerkin. They have jerk chicken, jerk pork, pulled pork. Thank you. What do you have in here? Chicken?
Jerk chicken, jerk pork, ribs, and brisket. Beef brisket.
Beef brisket, okay. It smells really good.
Thank you, my friend. Take care now.
So here we have Tornado Foods. So here at Tornado Mediterranean Food, they have gyros, salads, different meal deals. 1 minute of footage. Thank you. So here we have hummus and chips. What is it?
It's the tornado potato.
Oh, so this is the tornado potato.
Yes.
Have you had it before?
No.
Arepas.
What's up, please?
So here's Arepa's truck. So we are at Nida Pizza, Mediterranean and Greek cuisine. So let's see what they have. They have a falafel pizza, which is basically like kachori. Yeah, fried kachori, and it's in a pizza bread. And they have chicken pizza, lamb gyro pizza, shawarma supreme, shawarma burrito, shawarma tacos, chicken kebab, boom boom wings, a Greek salad with chicken, tabbouleh salad.
One and a part two.
So here we have Galos Pintos Nicaraguan cuisine. Say hi.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. So I'm thinking about what I want.
Nicaraguan style.
Turkish cuisine, welcome every Tuesday at Plantation Heritage Park. Food truck invasion. Come out, enjoy 100% Yardman thing.
Great.
Yeah, get the shrimp, brother.
Yeah, man. Coconut.
Oh, their food smells so good. Again, half and half coconut shrimp, just shrimp. And to this side, I'll take rice and rice.
Just you to drink a passion with lemonade, water, Sprite.
I'll try the passion with lemonade. It's really good. Would you like a taste? Thank you.
Take care.
So we have Bruno's food truck, tostones, chicken wings, portobello veggie, pulled pork, sweet potato fries, burgers. Hi. Red velvet milkshake. I heard it was really good, but no. Whoa, wontons on wheels. It's a Trini truck. Are you guys a Trini truck?
Yes, we are.
And what do you have?
Wontons.
Just wontons alone.
We have wontons, we have shrimp burger, we have tacos, we have
What's
wings.
your most popular?
We also have wobbles, which is wonton doubles.
Can I have a wonton double, please?
Alright.
Look, they even have Trinidad ketchup.
Is this your first time here?
Thank
It
you.
has a tamarind sauce inside here.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Let us know how it is.
What does it have in it?
It has curry, chickpeas, and
Oh,
and potato.
okay. I'm gonna taste it now.
Those the wobbles.
Okay, wobbles.
Let us know how it is.
So guys, I'm gonna taste the wobbles. So guys, I'm gonna try the wobbles. Wobbles? With tamarind sauce. It's really good. I can taste the curry, chickpea, curry chana in there, and with that tamarind, it's really, really delicious. You guys have to try this, and I'm gonna try to steal this recipe and recreate it for you all. So this is Cosmo's Ice Cream, the largest ice cream truck. Barbecue. What do you have?
Barbecue ribs,
Yeah,
chicken,
yeah.
and beef brisket.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'm at the last truck called Daddy's Grill. Hamburger, pinchos, grilled chicken, frita cubana. The line of food trucks, it just goes all the way around the park. So it starts there and then it goes all the way around. And I couldn't taste everything, but I just bought stuff that I wanted to taste. But those egg rolls, those are really, really good. So guys, I tasted and I got a lot of food. I love the egg rolls, I love the wobbles, I love this passion fruit lemonade. You guys definitely need to come down here and make sure and try the red velvet donuts. It's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Taste